Hello everybody, OG here. Today I am making something super yummy but very fat. Once a while I always wanna get this kind of food such as instant noodle, french fries or deep fried pork chop. Crispy pork chop wrapped with a creamy delicious sauce. This makes me so hungry. This is a must try pork chop recipe. Let's get started. These are Precut pork chop covered with plastic wrap on top, then use a mallet to make it nice and thin. Use the back of a knife if you don't have a mallet, it works just fine. This is also a good arm exercise or stress releasing technique after a long day. See how big and thin it is now. It is the same size as my hand. Seasoning with salt and the black pepper on each side. What's the three main ingredients for deep frying? Flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. Heat a pot with oil to 320 Fahrenheit and deep fry the pork chop for about only 4 minutes for this kind of thickness. Here comes our secret sauce. It is a mixture of butter, all-purpose flour, ketchup, sugar, Worcestershire sauce, milk, and water. Worcestershire sauce is similar to Shanghainese chili soy sauce. Seafood soy sauce is also a good substitute if they are unavailable to you. Regular soy sauce is our least option. If you are using it, make sure add it little by little to avoid the saltiness and the darkness. Stir and simmer at a low heat until it gets thicker. Pour the sauce right on top of pork chop. Garnish with parsley flakes and the whipping cream. This looks exactly what I was getting from Korean restaurants. How could you not like it? Wow, it looks so amazing. I'm going to start. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed as much as I do. This is Audrey. I will see you next time.